will speak about this project. We will speak about the seaport. It is the reconstruction of the Cross River economy. Because once we put the deep seaport in place, every other thing will follow. We must create a new alternative to the dependence on federation allocation. The decoupling process is what I have started. The velocity could be slow. The stimulus, the energy, the enthalpy may be slow, but definitely the steel is certain. The pressure is clear. The path, the route. Obviously, with a clear identity that ultimately we are going to create a new private business-based income structure that will give Cross River this class that we all know. Cross River State will therefore, in 4 years, move to a first world under my watch. I thank you all for your patience. I thank you for this opportunity, and I hope that 4 months from here, construction work will start, because that would have been enough for the design to be done. If you have your way, I'd like you to have the best architects that you know to come together to put this design. You know me, when I give my word, I don't take it. Next year, this Utumo bomb ceremony will take place in a new palace. Thank you and God bless.
Your Excellency, Amasimba, we have consulted here and we've agreed that this governor has requested you to adopt him. And I know even before now you have adopted him, because the way you talk about him as your son. And I've been consulting with my brother, and with due respect to you, as the mother of this kingdom, we have agreed that Governor Yado's name is now Edeyen. Edeyen, literally translated into Efik, is the young son, the young beloved son, the young son that will grow up to look after the family. It can be young, but Edeyen is a child that we look up to, that you look after the family. So his ethnic name is Edeyen. That's all.
Thank you very much, Princess Senator Florence Itagiwa OON. You know, when mothers give birth to children,